Google Chrome provides its users a large number of useful extensions. In this video, we will show you some of the most useful extensions available for free on Google Chrome Web Store. Open the Google Chrome browser and search for Google Chrome extension in the search bar. Tap on the first website that appears in the results. Chrome Web Store contains different themes and extensions that can be used with Google Chrome. Tap on the search bar in the top right corner and search for an extension called Bitwarden. Tap on the second option that appears in the results. Bitwarden is the easiest and safest way to store all of your logins and passwords. It also helps in saving time by auto-filling your information. You can add this extension to your Google Chrome by tapping on Add to Chrome button. Tap on Add Extension button at the top to confirm. The second useful extension is called Ghostery, and it will appear at the top in the search results. Ghostery is one of the best free extension for blocking annoying ads on any website. It also stops any trackers from collecting your personal data. This extension also speeds up website by automatically removing cookie pop-ups. Tap on Add to Chrome button. Next tap on Enable Ghostery button in the website that opens. If you go to a website that contains ads, this extensions will block them automatically, and you can also see a detailed view of all the blocked ads. The next free extension we will show you is called Grammarly, which helps to improve your writing. Grammarly analyzes your sentences as you write and adds color-coded underlines to words and phrases where you can improve your writing. You can apply Grammarly suggestion with a single click. To start using it, tap on Add to Chrome, then tap on Add Extension button at the top. Next, you will need to sign up by using one of the 4 provided methods. Select all the apps and website you use for writing by tapping on them. You can start using this extension for free, however if you need even more features, you can also subscribe to premium version. If you like to browse the internet or read during the night time, this next extension is the perfect choice for you. Today, most of websites offer dark mode, however, there are still some websites that do not have this feature. Dark Reader is a free extension available on Chrome Web Store. Dark Reader converts every website to dark mode so you can easily read during night time while also protecting your eyes from bright light and colors. To use it, all you have to do is add it to Chrome and it will automatically turn websites to dark mode. You can turn it off or make any adjustments like brightness, contrast or grayscale. OneTab is a free Chrome extension that lets you reduce all of your open tabs into a clean list in just one click. If you have multiple tabs open and get frustrated when your browser slows down or you cannot find a specific tab, then this extension is perfect for you. This will help you be more productive and efficient. Tap on Add to Chrome and then tap on Allow button at the top. All the tabs that you have currently open on your Chrome browser will be arranged in a list. You can open a tab from this list by simply tapping on it. To restore all the tabs, tap on the Restore button.